Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is leg of lamb in vodka sauce. Okay, first thing, what we're gonna do, I've got some water in there with lamb cubes. We're gonna turn it on, bring it to the boil, then we will drop the lamb and bring it to the boil again, and we'll let the lamb simmer for about 40 minutes. In the meantime, what we're going to do, I've got 2 small onions in here. We're going to peel them and we're going to chop them and put them into this container. We're going to prepare all the ingredients for the sauce. It can cover so it can come boil quicker. Remember, guys, when you are preparing a recipe, always do your best to prepare all the ingredients before. Make sure that you've got all the ingredients in the kitchen. So, we're gonna chop the onion. And we will prepare it into this container. Yes, I was saying as well, always, if you are new to any recipes, do go and read quickly go through the method, so you will know what needs to be done. So, the onion is chopped. We're going to put it into this container. Now, I've got some garlic peeled already. I'm going to pick up 2 or 3, it's okay, in there. And so the stock is boiling here. We are going to drop in the lamb. We're going to bring it to the boil and then slowly simmer for 40 minutes. So, we're doing the garlic. Gonna quickly chop the garlic, and again we're gonna put it with the onion. That's the garlic. As long as it's not big chunks, that's fine. So now I've got two sticks of celery. I'm gonna take the bottom off and a little bit the top off too, and we are going to cut them into squares. We will add the celery with the onion and garlic Then we're going to add the bay leaf in there. That's the celery. Beautiful. I'm going to add the bay leaf in there. And then I've got some tomato juice, passata. I've got the vodka, the prunes, and of course the rice and seasoning. So this is for the sauce. So now what we're going to do, as you can see, we've got the lamb going in there. It's not boiling yet. As soon as it boils, we simmer. We've got the preparation for the sauce. Now we can start the sauce. So I'm gonna turn on this. Let me move the lamb in there. Okay, so I've got this shallow frying pan. We're going to turn it on a medium to high heat, and we are going to add the butter in there. The lamb is boiling. Now we can turn it down. To simmer, and we're gonna let that simmer for 40 minutes now. All right, so now we're gonna focus on the sauce. So I'm gonna add the butter there. Now we're gonna drop in the onion, garlic, and celery in there, and the tomato juice in there, and we're going to cook the onion, celery, tomato juice, passata, and bay leaf for about 5 minutes. All right, so then we will add the vodka. We will season with paprika and salt. We turn it off, and until the lamb will be done. When the lamb is done, we come back and we continue with the recipe. In the meantime, for the ingredients and method, always look below this video. Otherwise, log on to our website, robnjs.com. There where you can find much more recipes from pasta, meat, fish, pastries as well. They are all worked out step by step, easy to follow, and especially for home cooked family food. Even if you are individual or with a partner, but they are easy to follow, good food. And please do share our work, so we encourage more families to come and cook in the kitchen. As you can see, you do not need any particular skills to come and prepare a nice plate of food. The tricky part is the planning, which as well we are working on, you find on our website, we've got menu planning as well in there with the shopping list as well. So thank you for that and for your support. Keep stirring, and then in about a minute or so, we will add the vodka. Then, when we come back, we add the prunes, and we drain the lamb. We use the stock and the lamb, of course, to finish this beautiful, easy recipe. So now I can add the vodka in there. We're going to season with some paprika and some salt as well. Smells beautiful. That, and we are going to switch that off. So, like I said before, when the lamb is ready, we can finish this beautiful recipe. So now, after 40 minutes, what we're going to do, we're going to turn the sauce back on a medium to high heat. Then we're going to drain the lamb, of course, turn it off. In there. Remember, we are going to use both the lamb and the stock. So now what we're going to do is we're going to slowly add the stock in there. It's just incorporate the stock into the sauce. Then we will add the prunes, the rice, and we will let that simmer, and the lamb, of course. We will let that to simmer for 20 minutes. And that will be our recipe done. Okay? Just we incorporate that stock into the sauce. Now we will add the lamb in there and the prunes and the rice. I'm using arborio rice, the rice for risotto. We are going to bring that to the boil, then we are going to simmer for about 20 minutes. And when we come back, we can serve. So now, after 20 minutes, we're going to turn off the heat and we can serve this lovely lamb in vodka sauce. There you go. Lamb in vodka sauce. For more video recipes, please click the right hand bottom corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye bye.